Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm going to explain you about is PuppyU clothing scam, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of the website, and you can see at the top of the web page they have mentioned that free shipping or $5 off for first order and free shipping on orders over $69. So they have mentioned these details and updates, guys. Now this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with men clothing and other outfits including sweatshirts, outerwears, accessories, bottoms, etc. You can check out the exclusive collection of the site by visiting the menu option button, and here you can find out the product category list. Now talking about the price, guys, the company is offering various discounts on various products, and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. Now let's check out the payment information. For that you need to visit the payment info section, and here is the payment section, guys. So they have mentioned the online modes of payment available are Amex, JCB, Mastercard, PayPal and Visa. You can make the payment online via PayPal, credit card, debit card or bank account balance. Now talking about shipping policy of the site, let's check out the shipping policy. For that you need to visit the shipping and delivery section. So guys, here they have mentioned that usually it is about 5 to 7 working days to process. So this is the processing time, and talking about delivery time, it will take around, guys, 7 to 15 days. And they have also mentioned the shipping fee, which is $9.99. And you can read the entire knowledge, you can read the entire information related to shipping or delivery for your knowledge and convenience, guys. Now let's talk about other information, but guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. Of course, this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you guys. Now let's move on to the important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So the site is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, guys, which is a plus point and a good sign to define its legitimacy. But of course, this is not an enough factor to judge its legitimacy. So let's talk about the domain creation date of this website. So the domain was created on 9th of December 2020, guys, and according to our study we have found that this particular domain name is registered for 1 year only. So this is not enough to define its legitimacy, and this domain is less than 6 months old. So this is not the genuine factor that can define its authenticity. So guys, talking about other information, let's check out the about us page of this website. This is the about us page, but yes, they have not provided any information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is not a good sign, guys. They have provided limited information which can't define its legitimacy. Now let's check out the contact us page of this website. For that you need to visit the contact us page, and here they have provided an email address or official address which seems to be fake, guys, but the email which is given on this page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. But you should also know that, guys, you should be aware of this factor that most of the scam and problematic sites use email starting with online service, help desk, customer, etc. So be aware of this factor. And let's check out the social media existence of the site. So you can see they have not provided a single social media icon on the website, which is again a negative sign. It totally defines the zero social media presence, guys. It means that this site has no social media presence at all, which is again a negative sign, and this makes the site quite suspicious, guys. Let's check out the return policy. For that you need to visit the return and exchange policy page, and here you can see they have mentioned 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do not forget to comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers while reviewing a website or making any online purchase. Now coming to the reviews point, guys, talking about PuppyU clothing scam reviews, we have found no reviews about this site on the internet. This is one of the biggest drawbacks of this website, guys. And apart from that, it raises doubt about whether it is a legit site or not. And according to our in-depth research, we have found that the trust index score of the site is 1%, which is really very bad. And this website has too low traffic, or you can say none at all, guys. Apart from that, its low trust index score shows that this site is not much popular online. And yes, this website is also ranked too low among millions of other websites according to Alexa Traffic Rank. And apart from that, we have already discussed about short life expectancy domain. So guys, there are so many loopholes that defines the suspiciousness of this website. So in the final conclusion, guys, we can say that this website doesn't seem genuine, and this site may be a suspicious site because absence of complete contact details, a zero social media presence, zero security measures, unavailability of company's information, low traffic score, poor design of website led to believe us that it is a highly suspicious site. So guys, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications and legit video informative videos. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.